What's up, dudes? Today we're going to be going over 10 Linux commands that you can learn from your mom's basement. Let's go. Number 1, ls. You can use this to see the contents of a directory, just like this. If I pull up my home folder, we can see that these are the same. Number 2, cd. You can use this to move around in Linux. Go ahead and type cd in the name of the folder you want to move to. In my case, I'll type documents. You can ls once you get there. Number 3, clear. You can use this to clear out all the garbage that you've been typing up to this point. Number 4, pwd, because you just type clear and you don't remember who you are, what you're doing, or where you came from. This will tell you one of those things, and you're going to have to figure out the rest for yourself. Number 5, mv. When we want to rename or move a file, we've got a file here, and we can go ahead and rename that to whatever we want. Great. Number 6, mkdir or make directory. You can use this to create a folder to stash your feed pics in. Number 7, cp. Just in case you want to copy that folder over to another location, make sure to back up those feed pics wherever you can. In this case, we'll go ahead and put that on the desktop under the home directory, and we can see that it's here. And if we cd over to the home directory under desktop, we can also see that our feed pics are safe and sound. Number 8, remove directory or rmdir, because you don't like feet, never have, never will, and you certainly don't have pictures of them on your computer. Number 9, touch. Despite what you may think, all this one does is create a file for you. Number 10, rm, used to delete a file. This deletes it forever, so be careful because it's not going to stick around like your virginity.